everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the new YouTuber tag so that you can get to know me while I also try out some new products. So I think that'll be a little bit fun. I just got my January BoxyCharm in September, almost October. It went to my mom's house while we were, when we were in our transition to move here, and she was finally able to get it out to me. So I'm super excited to try some of these products. I already have my eyebrows on, as I just did an eyebrow tutorial video, but I guess let's just get started. So the first question is, what is your name and the name of your channel? My name is Amber Cox, and the name of my channel is called AC Beauty, Amber Cox Beauty. Where are you from? I am originally from Oregon. Oregon is where I grew up. I claim Missouri now, which is where my husband is from. So yeah, that's it. Why did you start a YouTube channel? I started a YouTube channel slightly for selfish reasons. I've always been very uncomfortable in front of the camera. When my son was born, I started photography, and I just always hated being in front of the camera. So this is sort of my way of getting over my fear of being in front of the camera. And I feel like it's really helping. Another reason why I wanted to start YouTube is because I have had quite a lot of my friends, my good close friends, always ask me like, Amber, please do a YouTube video. Show us how you do some of your looks. How do you do your eyebrows? Teach us. I shied away from it for so long. For some reason, I feel like since we have moved here to North Dakota, I have grown up a lot, and I have become braver. I adult a lot more than I used to, and I felt like, why wait anymore? Just do it. Just get in there and do it. And so that's what I'm doing. What will your channel be about? My channel is going to be about makeup tutorials and makeup reviews and beauty related reviews most. Who is your target audience? My target audience is anybody that I can help. I like helping people. I feel like that is one of my callings. I like to teach people. I feel like maybe I can teach what things in a different way. I can also make you laugh a little bit along the way, because I'm messing up probably as much as everybody else is messing up, if not more. And maybe I can be the part of your day that makes you laugh when you're having a shitty day while you're also learning stuff. Top 3 favorite YouTubers. My very favorite YouTuber right now, I'm obsessed with her. With Raw Beauty Christy, I started a Twitter just so I could see what is going on there. I look up to her tremendously. She is one of the reasons that I started YouTube. I felt like not only am I shy in front of the camera, but I'm also, the other reason I was really uncomfortable as far as being on YouTube is because I tried to do a video when we were in Germany, and when I played it back, I was like, oh my goodness, Amber, you are freaking enormous. I have put on quite a bit of weight. I am not at my smallest, and I'm probably not going to be back at my smallest ever again, which is fine. But it took me quite a while to just get comfortable with the fact that, you know what, it doesn't matter. Yes, you look fat on camera. So what? I still have the same information. I'm still a good person, and I'm still passing out kindness to everybody. There's no reason for me to not do something because of how I feel about myself. And it honestly has helped me. Watching Raw Beauty Christy share all of her stories through her weight, and just saying, yeah, I'm fat, and like not caring about it, I was like, you know what? I'm fat too, and but I'm also I'm gonna follow in her footsteps, and I'm not gonna let that stop me. And I'm not gonna be ashamed of it. And so I honestly have all of this entire channel is thanks to Raw Beauty Christy. I watch her videos almost every single day. They brighten my day. I always laugh. I love her bloopers. That's part of the reason why I've included bloopers into mine, because it's funny. We're not perfect people. Nobody is perfect, and we make mistakes, and it's funny to include those so that other people can see, like, I don't have to be, afraid to be myself. Oh, my top 3 favorite YouTubers. Okay, so the other ones are Jaclyn Hill and Carly Bible, but they don't really post some stuff. They don't post much anymore, not that I've seen. It's not as much as it used to be when I first started getting into makeup, and plus there's all that drama right now that we will not be going into. So those are my top 3. 3 reasons anybody should subscribe to your channel. I think that I'm kind of funny, and I know a little bit about makeup, and I don't know, maybe I just might be your cup of tea. That's all I got. 3 things we should know about you. I'm really short. I am only 4'10". That is pretty much my identity, is being the short girl all the time. Short people problems, I can never reach anything. I have 2 children. One is almost 13 years old and one is almost 10. And I was not prepared for the teenage business. Not. And third, I guess, I have been married for 13 and a half years to my very best friend. He encourages me. He watches every single one of my YouTube videos, and he's not afraid to point out that I'm repeating words over and over and over again. And he makes fun of me, which reminds me to come down here and not repeat myself, make eye contact with the camera. I love him. He is my biggest support system. He's my favorite person. I'm not answering all of these questions because I would really have to sit here and write a novel. It would be a long ass video. It's already a 16-minute video and I barely even have anything done, so do you have any tips or advice for others who are just starting a YouTube channel? The only advice that I can give, because I am still so new as well, is don't wait. Just do it. I mean, there is nothing that is standing in your way other than yourself. And the sooner that you start doing it, the sooner it's going to become easier and the sooner that your growth starts. So definitely just do it. Use your cell phone. You don't have to have all the big fancy stuff. I only happen to have lights and my camera because I was a photographer before. I think that is all of the questions that I'm going to answer for that. If you guys have any other questions that you would like for me to answer, I can do another Q&A at another time, but I think that's all the questions from that list that I'm going to answer, because super excited, I am going to get into this Crown Pro Glam Medals that I finally received from January's BoxyCharm. And so fun with all of these shimmer shades in here. Really excited about this. Now, I'm trying to, I want so much to get into this gold right here. Warm tones are my favorite. But I put cool tones on today because I have a request to do some gray. A gray look, so I figured why not just add it into this video today. So I guess, and these are all shimmers. All shimmers. Sure. So I guess I'm just going to try to work with these shimmers. So I guess I'm going to start and I'm going to try to go in here with this color, oops, Punk, and to make it sort of like a shimmery transition, I guess. Not terrible for a shimmer shade. So I guess next up I'm going to, okay. I'm scared. I'm going to go ahead and get into this black here. It's called Black Metal. Oh, okay. That is quite powdery. And I'm going to just go ahead and try to deepen up my edges and start adding some of this darker color in here to try to get the gray going. It's not too bad. I actually like how these colors are blending and looking. Gosh, I am not a fan of dark looks, but this does not look terrible. I kind of like these colors. This is cool. I want to put this one in or on right here. Okay, and so now that I have put that down, I'm going to go in with my black here again, and I'm going to re-darken up my edges because I think I'm going to call this a look. And I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face up. I will quickly mention some of these products that I'm going to put on my face, but I'm just trying to get this eye look all done up and finished. So here we go. So also in my new January box, I got the Dr. Brandt Luminizing Primer. I did my eyes first because I assumed that I was probably going to have quite a bit of fallout, and it's a good thing that I did that because I did have a lot of fallout. Does it look illuminizing? Okay, next up, Raw Beauty Christie told me that the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir was amazing. And so I picked some up and tried it, and I'm pretty sure that this color is a bit off for me. 710 Classic Ivory, so it should be white enough for me. But it's a little dark. So, but I love the formula. It feels really nice on. I really like it. She was right. I'm so glad that I listened to her. I'm not sure when that one stopped recording, but basically I have contoured with the Per Cosmetics Mineral Glow, and then I also have used blush with the Blushing Glow, and I'm about to swatch for you Afterglow, which is the highlight shade. So I got that in the cheek one a bit. But that is just crazy pigmented. So let's give this a go on the... Ooh. Oh. Yes. I'm about to be able to be seen from the heavens. Holy crap. This is the most pigmented highlighter I have ever seen or owned in my entire life. And I'm just... Oh, holy shit. I'm glowing today. I am glowing today. Okay, so let's get in here and finish up the eyes. For my under eye, I'm just going to do the same as I always do, and I'm going to mirror what I did. Alright, so next I'm going to pop on some mascara on my top and my bottom lashes, and then I'm going to come back and decide on an inner corner highlight. Okay, so now that I have my mascara on, to complete my eye look, I'm going to pick up some of this color right here for my inner corner highlight called Pop Rock. Okay, and now for my lips, I swatched this, and it also came in my January BoxyCharm, and it's the Galactic Beauty Matte Lip Paint. It was so nice when I swatched it, like it didn't come off. It would not come off of my skin, so I'm really excited about it. But first I'm going to line my lips with this Lord & Berry lip pencil that I should have sharpened because I don't have one down here, and I'm going to try to make it work anyway. So today I'm just going to line my lips. My eyes are starting to water. I don't know, every time I wear mascara recently, my eyes are just watering so terribly bad. And I don't know, but I'm just so excited to try this lipstick because this is the first lipstick that BoxyCharm has sent to me, that actually I think I can wear that will work with my skin tone, and I'm really excited. Let's try this. Smells like cake. And it feels like butter. And it looks like winning. This color is my color. Yay! Good job, BoxyCharm. The color that I received is called Demure. This is gonna be my new favorite lipstick. I'm gonna wear this all the time. Emily, I didn't think that I could do cool tones. This look is awesome. I didn't expect for this to look this good. I love it. I love it. Thank you for requesting this, because you have shown me that even cool tones can still make my eyes pop and look good on me, even though I felt like I was gonna be a warm colored girl forever. You've opened my eyes to something different. And so if anybody else has any requests, please let me know down in the comment section, or you can email me. I have that link down below. I definitely look forward to hearing back from you guys. So what do you think about this look? Or if you have any questions for me. As always, please like and subscribe if you like this video. If you didn't, then you don't have to. It's fine. It's not a big deal. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye! What was the question? Well, I don't want to get into subculture again. That's for damn sure. That's for damn. Okay, going in to finish up the eyes. So, here I go with the so's again. Here I go with the so's again. That eyeshadow doesn't feel good in your eyebrows. That stuff.